Good day everyone, we are from Group 7. My name is Chong Ming Yi, metric number 293497. In this video, we will be presenting about our BWFN 3013 Investment Analysis Group Assignment, Predicting and Managing a Portfolio. In this video, the development of an investment portfolio specially designed for a customer with a capital of 1,000 ringgit by select stock to create and manage the portfolio, consisting of 5 actively traded stocks from different sectors listed on Bursa Malaysia. The company that comprise our portfolio are Telekom Malaysia Berhad with code 4863 in telecommunication and media sector, MISC Berhad with code 3816 in transportation and logistics sector, Planetium Berhad 5075 in property sector, Malayan Banking Berhad with code 1155 in financial service sector, and the last one is Petronas Chemical Berhad with code 5183 in energy and chemical sector. Next, I will present a part of inflation rate in economic analysis. The trend of the change in the inflation rate in graph show the huge fluctuation in Malaysia from January 2021 to December 2023. In January 2021, achieved a lower inflation rate which is negative 0.2% due to the COVID-19 epidemic in the world. The economy have not fully recovered. In April, the inflation rate rose to the highest level in the year, which is 4.7%. In 2022, the inflation rate will remain in a high range throughout the year. Among them, August will become the highest level, which is 4.7%, that same as April in 2021. In 2023, inflation rate begin to gradually decrease. By December, it dropped to the 1.5%. This downward trend suggests that Malaysia may have adopted effective price control measurement.
For unemployment rate from the graph, it can be seen that the overall unemployment rate in Malaysia is decreasing. In January 2022, the unemployment rate in Malaysia was record 4.2%, which is the highest rate between January 2022 until January 2023. At the start of 2022, the increase in the unemployment rate reflects the fact that impact of the COVID pandemic on the Malaysian labour market has not been eliminated. The value continued decreasing to 4.1% in March 2022, indicating early sign of economic recovery. From September 2022 to January 2023, the unemployment rate remained constant at 3.6%, which marked the lowest level within the observed period.
This chart shows the consumer price index from 2021 until 2023. It shows an increasing trend.
Let's look at the GDP from 2021 to 2023. The economy shows fluctuation in growth, starting with a positive growth in 2021 and declining of a negative 2.7% in Q3. However, in 2022 show a strong recovery, slightly slowing, and have a negative GDP in Q4.
Next is the monetary and fiscal policy. Monetary policy is implemented by Bank Negara Malaysia used to control interest rate and the total amount of money in circulation. The most common tools that BNM uses is overnight policy rates, while fiscal policy describes how the government affects the status of economy through taxation and spending. Fiscal expansion is reducing tax or resisting government expenditure to boost economic growth and aggregate demand.
Good day, doctor and everyone. My name is Deliwa. Metric number is 292995. Today, I will represent Telekom Malaysia Berhad TM. TM is a Malaysian telecommunication company that was founded in 1984. In 1990 until early 2000, TM has made a transition from an analog to a digital telephone system, improving call quality, dependability, and extensibility. In 2005 until 2015, its maturity was for TM. TM is working with the Malaysian government to implement the high-speed broadband HSBB project as a public-private partnership. At the present time, for digital transformation and smart technology, TM specializing in leading-edge technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence. Furthermore, TM is an important early adopter of 5G trial in Malaysia, partnering with Digital Nasional Berhad. According to the data in the table above, the retrieve from Bursa Malaysia, TM has the market capitalization of 5.821 billion ringgit. Based on the fundamental analysis, liquidity ratio remains stable with a strong cash ratio but a slight decline in the current ratio, and net working capital indicate tighter short-term financial flexibility. For activity ratio, improved asset working capital and fixed asset turnover ratio highlight enhanced operational efficiency and better utilization of resource to generate revenue consistently over the year. Leverage ratio has significantly improved with reduced debt to asset, debt to equity, and debt to capital ratio, indicating stronger financial health and reduced reliance on debt financing. Profitability ratio show a robust upward trend with higher return on asset and equity alongside improved net profit margin, reflecting stronger cost management and earning growth. For intrinsic value, TM demonstrates moderate sales growth but fast inconsistent profitability, with net profit margin and EPS peaking in 2022 before declining sharply in 2023. Real payout ratio and dividend remain stable, volatile EPS and PE ratio reflect market uncertainty. Share price follow a similar trend, rising in 2023 but declining by 2024 and 2025. Forecasted stabilization in sales and profitability for 2024 and 2025 is essential to rebuild investor confidence. TM commitment to shareholder return through dividend is evident, but sustaining growth and addressing operational challenge will be key to securing long-term financial stability and market trust. Based on the MACD chart of TM Berhad in early July 2022, the MACD line crossed high above the signal line, indicating a bullish trend. In September 2022, the MACD line crossed below the signal line, reflecting a bearish trend. In May 2022, when the MACD line crossed below the signal line, the historical turned negative and expanded significantly, indicating a strong downtrend. Overall, MACD graph emphasizes the importance of monitoring cross and bar chart pattern to identify change in momentum and trend. The graph above shows the relative strength in this RSI for TM. In late April 2022, the RSI approached over by area near 70, suggesting that the stock may have been overvalued. This gave investors the opportunity to adjust their position, such as taking profit or to avoid new buy order. In late June 2022, the RSI index fell to an oversold area close to 30. This indicates that the stock was undervalued and potential rally was in order. Throughout the year, the RSI oscillated around overbought and overbuy ratio, reflecting the balance of price trend as well as periodic correction and recovery. In February 2022, the stock price crossed the SMA, indicating a bullish trend. This upward trend continued until mid-March, providing investors with a potential buying opportunity. However, in May 2022, the stock crossed below the SMA, marking the beginning of a bearish, which could signal a potential sell signal. The SMA shows several trend changes in the share price of TM throughout the year, thus guiding investors to effectively time their trend. The analysis of support and resistance level for TM share price in 2022 revealed the key price level that will influence trading activity throughout the year. In May 2022, the share price approached a support level near RM4.89, encouraged buyers to enter the market and reverse. This support level acts as a safety net for the share price and show potential buying opportunity when the share price shows signs of rebounding. This analysis can be used by investors to make informed trading decisions. This table shows transaction of TM Berhad stock with the date and its amounts.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Carmen Tangkawan and my metric number is 293662. Today, I will be presenting for MISC Berhad. MISC Berhad was established in 1968 and has grown into one of the top 50 public listed company on Bursa Malaysia with a trading code of 3816. Now, I will present for growth cycle MISC. In 1990s, MISC expanded from traditional shipping into energy-related transportations. They're focusing on LNG and petroleum. In around 2000 century, MISC also launched the offshore business unit, delivered its first FPSO unit, and established subsidiary called Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering. From 2011 to 2017, MISC exited non-core businesses and focused on its primary sector. And the company launched the semi-submersible FPSO in Sabah. In recent years, MISC has experienced clean energy solutions, incorporating green shipping technology, modern LNG carrier. The company in a track to deliver the Mero 3 FPSO project in 2024. MISC has a good competitive position with a market cap of 332.1 million and P/E ratio of 14.57 ranks the fourth in transportations and logistics industry. Based on the fundamental analysis, the liquidity ratio shows notable improvement, which means MISC have a good financial stability. In activity ratio, the working capital turnover ratio peaked in demonstrating highly efficient use of working capital in 2022, although it slightly declined in 2023. For profitability, the return of equity increased consistently, showcasing improved shareholder return. However, the net profit margin dropped from 2021 to 2023, indicating slight pressure on profitability. Lastly, in common stock ratio, the earning price per share steadily improved, reflecting better earning performance. However, the dividend payout ratio declining, indicating the shift toward retaining profit for reinvestment. Overall, 2023 demonstrates financial stability with a profitability enhancement. The intrinsic value show key changes and future projections. Net sales growth steadily, although the growth rate slowed in 2023. It is forecasted to rise consistently by 16.43% annually in financial year 2024 and financial year 2025. And net profit margin declining, then rebounded in 2023. It projected a stabilized around a 14-something% in 2024 and 2025. Earning per share increased and is expected to reach RM61 by financial year 2025, reflecting improved profitability per share. Meanwhile, the dividend per share was expected to rise in 46 cents in financial year 2024 and 48 cents in financial year 2025, despite fluctuating payout ratio. The share price is projected to grow from 2021 to 2023, forecasted RM9.45 in 2024 and RM10.25 in 2025, driven by a higher EPS and consistent growth in sales, indicating a positive market sentiment. In terms of MACD, the indicator reveals alternating bullish and bearish trend, reflecting market volatility. Notable movement including a bullish trend in August, offering a strong buy signal, followed by a bearish shift in September, signaling a sell opportunity. June showed a downward momentum, and November potential recovery highlight the indicator responsive to changing market conditions. For the RSI, remain large stable within the neutral 13 to 17 range, suggesting balanced buying and selling pressure throughout the year, while June presented the oversold buying opportunity near 30 and November approached to the overbuy zone near 70, reflected outward momentum that failed the break resistance, indicating limited strong directional trend. Now, let's move to the moving average. The moving average highlighted fluctuating market sentiment with key crossover providing trading signal. Bullish crossover in March and August suggested buy opportunity, while bearish crossover in May and September led to price decline. Despite some recovery in November, the overall trend remained downward. Finally, let's come to support and resistance level. Support and resistance level underscore critical turning point in the stock price movement. Bullish breakout in February and August provided opportunity for gain, while bearish breakdown in May and September signaled potential losses. By December, the price stabilized, showing no significant outward momentum. The portfolio started with a total capital investment of 38,329 ringgit, which included purchase on November 25 for 300 share at 7 ringgit 56 cent, December 2 for 2,100 share at 7 ringgit and 39 cent, and 800 share at 7 ringgit and 39 cent. For the last buy activity is December 18 for 2,000 share at 7 ringgit and 46 cent. While for the sales transaction were made on December 9, we are selling 3,000 share at 7 ringgit 42 cent, generating a 22,260 ringgit, and a selling share of 2,020 share at 7 ringgit and 35 cents on December 20, generating a 16,170 ringgit.
Good day everyone, my name is Lori Shin, Documentary 293639. I'm presenting Plenitude Berhad is a well-known public listed company. It's quite popular in carrying on property development, investment, and management business in Malaysia. In financial year 2020, Plenitude Berhad shift in market demand towards spacious and comfortable homes. In financial year 2023, they achieved an impressive net profit, reflecting recovery and adaptation to market trends. They focus on meeting high demand for landed properties. Their ongoing strategy for post-financial year 2023, they emphasize on portfolio diversification aligned with market demand, expansion of mixed development, combining residential units, commercial space, and community amenities. They also commitment to sustainability for long-term growth. The table on the right-hand side shows Plenitude Berhad market capital and PE ratio compared to other companies in this industry. For the fundamental analysis of Plenitude Berhad, their liquidity ratio is decreasing, but their activity ratio is increasing over 3 years. Their leverage ratio has a fluctuated trend, but profitability ratio has an increasing trend. And lastly, their common stock ratio has a fluctuated trend. This table shows that the calculation of intrinsic value of Plenitude Berhad. We can see that at the end, share price at the year end of 2021 until 2023 is decreasing, but it expected to increase in 2024 and decrease in 2025. The MACD chart of Plenitude Berhad shows the momentum and trend in the 2022. In April 2022, the MACD line crossed above the signal line, indicating that bullish momentum has just begun. Between June 2022 and August 2022, the MACD line again dipped and crossed below the signal line, which indicates bearish momentum with another signal to sell. This shows the RSI chart for Plenitude Berhad. This RSI chart shows that it will mostly vary within the neutral range of 30 until 70 throughout 2022, which means that it's pretty equal bullish and bearish forcing acting on it for the majority of the year. This chart shows the moving average of Plenitude Berhad. Before September 2022, it shows an increasing trend, but after September 2022, it shows a decreasing trend. This chart shows the support and resistance of Plenitude Berhad. This chart highlights that in the early May, the share price of Plenitude Berhad broke out to the upside of its resistance line, and the share price hit below the line in mid-July. This table shows transaction of Plenitude Berhad stock with the date, transaction, and its amount.
The fourth company selected for the investment portfolio is Malayan Banking Berhad, as known as Maybank. Maybank is one of the largest banking group in Malaysia. Maybank was established on 31st May 1960 by Tan Sri Kotepur. Maybank is one of the top 50 listed company on Bursa Malaysia and trade on the main market under the code 1155. In the 1960s, Maybank laid a solid foundation by rapidly expand its branch network and establish itself as a leader among local banks. Between the 1960s to 1980, the bank embraced technological advancement and launched diversified services such as home loan, corporate financing, while also expanding into international market. It also introduced the first ATM at its Ampang branch in 1981. In 2000, Maybank entered the digital era by launching Maybank to You, the first comprehensive online banking platform in Malaysia. During the challenging COVID-19 period from 2020 to 2022, Maybank faced declining profit due to the economic contraction and lowest interest rates. However, looking ahead, the bank is focused on transformation, investment significantly in digitalization and green financial to align with a sustainable and innovative future. In this part, I will evaluate the competitive position of Maybank in banking service industry. Maybank stands as the undisputed leader with a market capitalization of 120.2 billion ringgit and a healthy PE ratio of 12.2. This reflects its strong financial performance, market dominance, and investor confidence. As the largest bank in Malaysia, Maybank has consistently demonstrated robust operational strategy catering to device customer needs and delivering sustainable growth. Despite stiff competition from peers like Public Bank and CIMB, Maybank's comprehensive financial service and strategic innovations solidify its position at the forefront of Malaysian banking sector. In this part, I will share the fundamental analysis of Malayan Banking Berhad. First is the liquidity ratio. The current ratio remains stable at approximately 1.1, indicating sufficient short-term solution. However, the cash ratio has declined from 0.0660 to 0.0449, reflecting reduced cash reserve, which may affect immediate liquidity needs. Second, activity ratio. Fixed asset turnover has significantly improved, showing better utilization of fixed assets. However, overall asset turnover and working capital efficiency still have room for optimization. Third, leverage ratio. Debt to asset remain high at around 90%, indicating a heavy reliance on debt. While the debt equity ratio is improving, financial risk from high leverage persists. For the profitability ratio, ROE shows slight improvement, but ROA remains flat. The net profit margin has decreased, show challenge in cost management or revenue growth. For the common stock ratio, EPS is increasing and the dividend payout ratio remains high, highlighting good shareholder returns and strong market confidence. In conclusion, Malayan Banking Berhad demonstrates financial stability and attractive shareholder returns, but it must address challenge in cash reserve, asset utilization, and profitability to unlock future growth. This table shows the intrinsic value of Maybank, reflecting a strong post-pandemic recovery. Despite initial challenge in 2021 with a sales decline of 9.94%, Maybank rebounded significantly, achieving a 30.46% growth in net sales by 2023. Net profit improved from 8.1 billion ringgit in 2021 to a forecasted 12.8 billion ringgit in 2025, driven by efficient operation and cost management. EPS are expected to rise from 0.7 ringgit in 2021 to 1.07 ringgit by 2025, alongside consistent high dividend payouts, showing Maybank's commitment to shareholder value. Share price is also expected to climb steadily from 8.34 ringgit in 2021 to 13.09 in 2025, with a stable PE ratio forecasted to reach 12.23 by 2025. Maybank remains a solid choice for long-term investors. In early July 2022, the MACD line crossed above the signal line, forming a golden cross, a bullish signal indicating a potential price rise. This encouraged investors to buy Maybank stock, capitalizing on the upward moment. However, by October, a dead cross occurred as the MACD line crossed below the signal line, signaling increasing downside risk. Combined with a red histogram showing going bearish moment, investors were advised to sell or reduce their holding. By the late December, the histogram near zero, reflecting market indecision and price stagnation. These MACD insights have proven essential for optimal investment decision in Maybank stock. Throughout most of the observation period, the RSI remained within the neutral 30 to 70 range, indicating a balance between bullish and bearish forces. In June, the RSI approached the oversold level of 30, signaling weakened downward moment and opportunity for buyers to enter the market. By November, the RSI near to overbought level of 70, showing strong bullish moment but highlighting potential resistance to future price increase. Overall, the RSI suggests Maybank stock performance remains steady, offering investors clear signal at the key turn point for optimal decision making. In early 2022, Maybank stock price gradually recovered with steady growth from January to March, steadying above the moving average, signaling a bullish trend. However, by May, the price dipped below the moving average, forming a bearish cover, suggesting potential downward moment and a selling signal. A rebound started in August with a bullish crossover signaling renewed market optimism. This provides an opportunity for investors to re-enter the market. Unfortunately, by September, the price again fell below the moving average, showing a downturn. In October and November, the stock stabilized, forming support and breaking above the moving average, indicating a recovery. This reflects growing investor interest in Maybank. In 2022, Maybank stock showed significant change in support and resistance level. In February, the price broken through the 10 ringgit.02 resistance, signaling a bullish trend. However, by March, the price struggled at 10 ringgit 70 cents, indicating the bullish moment had faded. In April and May, the support level shifted to 10 ringgit 10 cents, signaling a bearish trend leading to a price decline. By August, the stock rose again, breaking the 8.84 ringgit resistance but could not sustain the uptrend. In September, it fell below to 8 ringgit 21 cents, making another downturn. By December, the price repeatedly tested 8.84 ringgit resistance without a breakout, indicating a lack of strong buying moment, leaving the stock relatively stable but without a clear bullish rebound. This is the portfolio trading for Maybank. Totally, we have buy 2,700 shares and sell all the shares in 20 December 2024, we has lost 310 ringgit.
Hi doctor, my name is Jeong Teck and my metric number 297823. I would like to start with the industrial analysis of Petronas Chemical Berhad. Start from 1990 to 2010, Petronas Chemical established as a dominant force in the region by exporting its goods to other markets and also achieved worldwide outreach. Between 2010 to 2020, it has targeting higher margin, especially chemical markets, including electronics, and also extensive global reach demonstrated its maturity as a dependable chemical provider. At the present time, it has served rapidly in expanding sectors and concentrated on circular economy projects like recycling and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. We can see that Petronas Chemical Group has achieved number one in a particular industry and reached 34.5 billion market capitalization. Next, I will continue with the fundamental analysis of Petronas Chemicals Berhad. First, we can see that the liquidity ratios are slightly dropped in following year, shows a fall in liquidity while still having a healthy margin to meet short-term commitment. Next, activity ratio like working capital turnover ratio rise shows management will continue to improve with higher revenue earned per unit of working capital. For leverage ratio are comparatively constant between 3 years and shows a prudent financial management and providing strong balance sheets. While for profitability ratios, it has shows a further decline in 2023 impacting by lower net profit margin and sales, cause company have to improve asset profitability. Lastly, common stock ratio like earning per share are remaining constant in 2021 and 2023 but further decline in 2023. Increasing PE ratio indicates that investor has been more prepared to pay more for PCG earnings. Continue with the intrinsic value table for Petronas Chemicals Berhad. Due to the increase in operating costs and market constraint in 2021 to 2023, sales are slightly dropped and the net profit margin shows a declining trend in profitability. Company payout ratio maintained in good condition and provided steady returns for stockholders, with net sales, profit margins, and EPS expected to recover in 2024 and 2025. Cautious optimism indicates an improved financial outlook. Here is the technical analysis for Petronas Chemical Berhad. According to MACD chart, at the beginning of 2022, there are strong bullish momentum, a negative reversal in the middle, and indications of stabilization by the end of the year. These patterns highlight the significance of outside variables affecting stock performance, while ISI analysis shows a year of changing momentum. In the beginning of year shows positive trend but started to fall in the middle. They also shows upward price trending in October. For traders and investors, ISI provide useful signal by clearly highlighting important overboughts and also phases. At the start, the SMA graph shows a bullish trend where the short-term SMA was consistently higher than the long-term SMA, while at the year end, the short-term SMA start to rise above the long-term SMA, indicating a rebound and early indications of fresh optimism. SMA is helpful for tracking long-term momentums and trend shift. In support and resistance chart, price has rise due to renewed buying activity, suggesting a possible rebound. These levels mark crucial decision-making zones and give traders crucial insights. Here is the portfolio trading for Petronas Chemicals that shows the transaction and amount for trading.
In this part, I will explain about our group portfolio trading. In the beginning, we have used 100,000 ringgit of capital and start trading from 25 November 2024 to 20 December 2024, consisting of 20 trading days. This is the result of our portfolio trading. We have gained profit from 3 company stock, which is Telekom Malaysia Berhad, MISC Berhad, and Peninsula Berhad. These 3 companies gained amount of 486 ringgit, 101 ringgit, and 99 ringgit respectively. Unfortunately, we have faced losses from True Company stock, which is 310 ringgit from Malayan Banking Berhad and 2,070 ringgit from Petronas Chemical Berhad. In conclusion, we have 1,694 ringgit in losses. In conclusion, financial performance of Telekom Malaysia Berhad showed a positive upward trend, particularly in profitability and leverage management. However, the common stock ratio is poor. Although EPS remains stable, the declining dividend payout ratio may indicate that the company is focusing more on reinvestment rather than dividend distribution. For the MISC Berhad, it demonstrates excellent performance in liquidity, leverage management, and shareholder return, but there is a room for improvement in asset utilization and profitability growth. Overall, the company shows stable performance and healthy financial condition. Third, the Platinum Berhad has a healthy overall financial performance, especially in leverage management and profitability. However, asset utilization efficiency is low, and liquidity indicator and shareholder return strategy need further optimization to enhance overall performance. Malayan Banking Berhad remains relatively stable in liquidity, profitability, and leverage management. True, there are some challenges such as reduced cash reserves and declining net profit margin. Nevertheless, the company offers good shareholder returns and its stock remains attractively. Lastly, for the Petronas Chemical Berhad, it demonstrates stable performance in liquidity, activity efficiency, and leverage management. However, its profitability has shown a significant decline, especially in ROA, ROE, and net profit margin. which require particular attention. Overall, the company's financial performance is relatively weak, especially in the term of profitability. That's all from our group presentation. Thank you.